Welcome to Cosmopolitan Academy, where we're dedicated to helping you master the latest beauty techniques. Today, we're tackling a crucial element of volume lashing, creating those flawless, perfect fans. Let's face it, volume lashes are only as good as the fans themselves. If your fans aren't up to par, your sets can look clumpy, uneven, or even damage the natural lashes. But don't worry, because we're here to take the mystery out of the fan creation and show you how to achieve consistent, beautiful results. In this video, we're going to break down the process of creating perfect volume fans step by step. We'll explore the essential tools and products that you will need, from tweezers to lash trays, and delve into the most effective techniques for creating a variety of fan styles. Whether you're struggling to create consistent fans or simply want to refine your current existing skills, this tutorial will provide you with the knowledge and confidence to create volume fans like an absolute pro. So grab your tweezers and lash strips and get ready to unlock the secrets to perfect fan creation.
So when you're making a volume fan, you're using your boot tweezers at 90 degrees to the lash strip. And you're going to pick up a small section of lashes. Make sure it's small because you don't want to be doing something that's too heavy for your client's eyes. And you're going to peel them off the lash strip towards you. Once you have your cluster of lashes, you're going to place them onto the pink fanning pad. Now you're going to use the tip of your tweezer and you're going to fan them out to your liking. And take your time so that you can make the perfect fan. Once you're satisfied with your fan, you're going to take your tweezers at 90 degrees again, and this time you're going to pull it away from you. So when you're pulling off of the strip, you're pulling towards you, and when you're pulling off the fan, you're pulling away from you. And you can keep replacing them to help fan them out even more.
My name is Alana Beman, and I'm the founder of Cosmopolitan Academy. You may have seen me on the TV show Legacy Makers or in one of the many global publications. Ever wonder how we can give you so much free content? It's your subscribe and like. So show us some love. That's exactly what we need to make it possible for us to keep giving you free content. We'll see you in our next video, where we chat about the perfect step-by-step guide to hybrid lashes, and we will see you there.